disgusting mess. I don't even know where to start. You really don't know how much you own, so you're sitting here packing it all. I have more than 8 boxes downstairs full of stuff, and I still have so much stuff to pack. Like, what? Okay, I think I did some decent damage. Echo. Yeah, I hear a little bit of an echo. I have like a wall full of boxes downstairs, and I'm like I was really thinking, do I need all of this? I don't move until 9:30 a.m., which is honestly kind of late for me. I am ready for sleepy time. This isn't everything that I packed. Take a look at our amazing statue over there. He's fucking awesome. This is everything I'm taking. I have like 3 big boxes downstairs that I'm not gonna take just yet.
But I do have 4 bags of clothes.
I really have no words for it. I even tried downsizing it too. I took all the bags downstairs and I was like, okay, this is just way too many clothes. I need to figure out what I need, like what I actually need. Bitch, my ass thinks I need all of that. I need everything that are in these bags. That is literally so small, isn't it? Am I just tripping out for nothing? Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We still have my husband's stuff to pack. But guess what? This motherfucker has the best timing. He literally bought a truck like last week. I think moving is gonna be a breeze. But we do have to go up 2 flights of stairs. Oh my gosh, we're here. We've got some stuff. Okay, I have some traditions that I want to do. My family, we do this thing where whenever someone buys a new house, you throw coins all over the place and you boil water. This means like good luck and wealth and whatever. This welcomes like spirit guides to protect your home, basically. So this is what I'm about to do. Guys, you have no idea. You have no idea. I thought I lost this fucking camera. I thought I forgot you at Subway. I even called them and I was like, bro, have you seen my GoPro? This tastes disgusting, actually. Goddamn, Tim! Kiki! And I think I put too much water in this coffee. I mean, it said 2 tablespoons. Of what? Of coffee grinds.
You only put 2 tablespoons in there? Are you sure?
Proportion, 2 tablespoons coffee.
Or 6 fluid ounces.
6 fluid ounces!
That's like not even a cup, bitch. I feel like you just sprinkled coffee in my cup.
I literally
Sprinkled coffee in the coffee maker.
no coffee. This is literally water. This is dinner. This is so freaking good, guys. Cacao. I don't know who's hip. He's so good. It's from Costco. It's literally frozen, but if you steam it correctly, it tastes just like deep sum. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Now we'll just let them sit. Aren't these so adorable? I saw these at TJ Maxx, I think, and I just couldn't pass it up. They're so adorable. One. Shrimp paste inside, I'm pretty sure. It's so good. Let me tell you a little bit of the history of where I live. I live near this really, really old town. It's old, like it's historic. Like there's ghosts. If y'all ever see anything in my videos from now on, like in the background, oh hell no. If y'all see anything, you better shut your mouth, okay? You better zip it. Don't even say, oh my god, at minute 3:26, I saw something in the back. Don't even. First of all, I'm not going back in the video and watching it. No, I'm not, okay? Like, I have had so many paranormal experiences throughout my whole life, and I have stories if you guys wanna hear, I would totally tell you. If I just know a place is, I don't even wanna say it, haunted, that's it, I'm out. What did you just say?
I said these are low-key nice spoons. Like they're heavy. Like they have a nice like form. We can use them if you want. Like take them off and like use them as little teaspoons. That's literally a teaspoon right there.
Card.
Oh yeah, the card is nice.
Damn.
I love it. But the spoons are nice. Like we can really use them.
So what if you look at this in the future and it's not gonna make sense?
Well, yeah, because the spoons won't be there anymore. Oh, with a spoon, I get it.
Oh my god, so you just thought it was a card with spoons?
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Man, you dumb as shit.